Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for stopping by, and it's always a pleasure making a video for you. Hope you're well. Today I'm not bad, thank you very much. Right, I've got part one of a video where I show you how I made this lovely little traveler's notebook from scratch, and this is part two where I'm going to show you how I embellished it. Now this little book is for when I'm traveling away from home, that I could document things that made me happy, where I would most like to go, how I felt in places that I went, and so forth. I've made it lovely and girly and pretty, and I've put a lot of work into it, so I know that I definitely will be using it, and it is for a valid purpose. Now what I'm going to do, I've taken a few things out of my stash, and I'm going to make a lovely little envelope, a little envelope here where I can put bits and pieces in, and I think I'll put it at the front here. And I've also got some bits and pieces that I was given from Sproggo Home and Away in my loaded paper bag Happy Mail that she sent me. So I've got those, and they're very inspirational, so I tried to pull out as much inspirational themes that I have, just to keep me positive, and a reminder when I look back at them that things are not as bad as they seem. So that's the whole aspect of this traveler's notebook. I did use my die to cut this lovely embellishment here, so I'm going to use that. And this is another pocket that I'm going to alter. I'm going to score this and make the pocket with that, and I've got some other bits and pieces again to cheer me up and make me happy. And I've got some stickers here. This is a lovely one that a pen pal sent me. I think this is from America. It says Embrace Hope, so I've got that, and I've got these as well. These are cut apart out of the opulent, I think it's a Winnie the Pooh theme. It is the opulent paper pack. So, and this one came from it as well. So these are cut apart, and I've also got these little stickers that I might put somewhere as well. So that's that. And as I go along, I know that I'm going to get other ideas, so I most probably bring in more stuff for more embellishments. I also got these lovely, sorry about the sun, I should really close the curtain a little bit more. Got these from Sproggo Home and Away again. These were in the loaded gift bag Happy Mail that she sent me, and I'm going to use these to attach them to my elastic. And what I did, I found an old chain that I no longer use. It's all bendy and it's no good. So I took the clasp, and I'm going to use that clasp to put the keys on. So that's that, and I think I'm going to keep it sort of gold, pinks, and maybe a few flowers. So that's that. Okay, so we'll get started. On, and there we go, beautiful. And then we just put that over there. So then, oh, isn't that pretty? Isn't that lovely? And I would like to score it at 1/4. Some of these lovely flowers that one of my subscribers, Michelle, sent with a thank you note for the birthday scrapbook kit, I believe, giveaway. Yep, these are so pretty. Gotta put one on. So pretty and dimensional. Lovely there. I made it a lot more simple by taking out the inserts because I was decorating them inside of the cover. Now, isn't that pretty? I've put the envelopes on. Really happy with that. Okay, so finish up, and I've put that on there. And with that, put some more decorations on. I've got out some pink washi. jam-packed. Absolutely jam-packed. I love it. It's protruding just a little bit, but I am definitely going to make another one. Definitely going to make another one. Thank you so much for taking the time out to watch my videos. And this is it. Pockets, stuff in there. Lovely. This is beautiful. This is from a pen pal. This is beautiful. I fussy cut this off of a journal card that Sprogger Home and Away sent me, and it's lovely. Why? Hello. Yeah. You make me happy. So I'm really, really pleased. Really pleased. Really pleased with the outcome. Really, really pleased with the outcome. This is nice. I think I'm going to stick photographs here, little photographs. Yeah. Oh, that's the back of that one. Lovely. And that's the second book. Love is Sweet. And I've put the sweet washi tape, donuts, ice cream, and a fairy cake, cupcake. And it says make today great. And I really love that. Do more of what makes you happy. Oh, I love that. I love it. All you need is love. I love it. Absolutely love it. And we've got the pocket here. I love it. So give it a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe to see much more videos. And click on the bell. You'll be notified when I upload new ones. So thank you so much for watching. I love this so much. And I'm so happy. My lovely little keys, so cute. Okay, take care of your good selves. Have a lovely weekend, and I'll catch you back real soon. Bye for now. Bye.